Who are ya? What do you got?
My name is Noah and I have the SVDN. This is a drain blaster powered recon blaster with stock, scope, brass barrel and breech, as you might be able to see on the inside there, and a scar barrel on the end. This is done by Pete. This is all his handiwork, and then the scar barrel is bought from Harrison.
Sweet Pete.
Sweet Pete Engineering. Call now.
Or is it Sandy Pete?
Sandy Pete.
He does the sand.
Nah, I don't like sand. It's coarse and rough and it gets everywhere.
What's all this? What's that?
This is from a toy SVD that Pete got online that he thought was slightly bigger and would actually match this stock here. And it was too small and he said, oh well, throws it away, rips up a couple of boards in his decrepit house, lines it up, shaves it down, and now we have this beautiful bad boy right here, this smoothness of it. No splinters here. Don't drop it. I like to use 6 mags like this. I feel like I'm the last of the 6 mags users, just because it's easy to use with the rig here, because I can fit 3 of these bad boys in the one pocket and just shift them over, and it's also aesthetically pleasing.
But you gotta reload more.
Well, I figure that with the amount of pumps that I have to put in, I usually get tagged before I reach the end of this mag. So if I had, say, like the old 35 round drum, I could use that for a whole war and never have to reload. Hey. The harness is one that I got from Aussie Disposals. I just picked it up randomly. It's a pouch here, here, and here. The additions are a fast mag thing, 2 of them here, a dump pouch here, admin pouch here, and for longer wars I can have snacks in this pack here. And a holster here, which carries the long shot. Long shot?
A long shot.
A long shot! No, a hammer shot with the metal parts, 8 kilogram spring, no spacer, we couldn't get it on because we are weak, and there's no air restrictors in this section. We also tried to put in a 7-dart cylinder, but it wouldn't rotate correctly, so we had to chuck this one back in. The trouble I have with this right now is that I can get it to be under the FPS limit with, say, if there was a cap of 300 like up in Bendigo, then I can get to 271 with 16 pumps. All right. But then on the next 16 pumps it'll be 245, 210, 220, 150, kind of varies. I'm pretty sure it's because of brass system that we have here, in that, I think you can see it here, we had to push it up so that it wouldn't cut into the mag as it pushes forward, like this. So it doesn't have a complete seal when it meets the brass barrel. So what I have to do is push my thumb up to try to get a good seal as I fire. But in the heat of battle, I'm such mags, bumping this and that, drop the spaghetti everywhere and pop. It's safe, but not consistent on FPS, but still safe. That's the important part. I'm Noah, and this is my loadout. Hey, there's a HSP over there.
Oh, so good.